Hello everyone, our team name is Malai, it stands for Machine Learning and Artificial Intelligence. So our project name is Rakshak AI. Rakshak AI is a platform by which a patient will have this screen where it will ask, uh, we have a voice agent which will have a natural language conversation with the patient and gather all the symptom on behalf of the doctor. And based on that symptom, it will be going to trigger the multi-agent system which has two agents. One is the emergency detector agent, which is utilizing two Nokia API, that is the device status API and then the location API. So let's suppose I am a patient and connected with the symptoms gathering system and my device is discharged and switched off. And in that case, using device status API, our system will automatically detect that the device is offline, and if the emergency is detected by our parent agent based on the conversation which a patient did, then we are going to automatically have a ambulance booked on behalf of it. Also, we are fetching the location using Nokia location API. Thus, even we will able to find the last active location of the patient. Once we have the location, we are triggering the call using Twilio so that to the ambulance, so that let's say we have typed here, let's say. So let's suppose once we have the whole conversation, we are going to trigger this multi-agent system, which where we will going to fed that I have a heavy nose bleeding in the throat. So this all conversation will be sent to our multi-agent system, and you can see that we have got a international call, which is basically we are simulating the ambulance here. So this call will be received to the ambulance. So all this sort of data will going to be inserted in the medical record and in the emergency detection record. So uh, if the emergency detected, also we are going to trigger the specialist doctor finder agent so that the hospital could be prepared before the arrival of the patient with that specialist doctor. So we are reducing the time by gathering automatically all the symptoms and also preparing the hospital based on the specialist. So once the patient is having the conversation with the AI, it will going to enter this in the DB and have a API status, which will be if the emergency detected, then this page will be going to show, and the user will have the functionality to cancel the booking. If and for the doctor side, the doctor will have this dashboard where they can select their specialty, and based on specialty, if they click on online, they will be seeing all the incoming consultation requests. If they accept, they will have the telemedicine communication from our platform. So all the front end and the back end is complete. We just need to integrate. So, so we are utilizing Nokia device status API and then the location API, and also we are using the congestion API for finding for switching between the video and the audio in the video call interface.